Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be sharing a super relaxing after dark clean with me. These are always some of your guys' favorites and I have been getting some requests to go ahead and share another one. So I hope that you guys enjoy, and also there will be a giveaway today, so stay tuned. I will be mentioning a little bit more about that later on in the video. So I have shared with you guys several times before that I usually like to do this nighttime cleaning routine every single night. Now it does not always happen. There are definitely times where I get too tired or it gets too busy or too late or something. But I would say that 9 out of 10 times I do try to do most of this during the nighttime, just because then I'm able to wake up feeling refreshed and not have to feel like I already have to wake up cleaning the house in the morning because it's trashed. And this way it just kind of starts me off with a clean slate. So that is probably my number one reason why I like to kind of suck it up and just get this done in the evening.
Into the black hole. Sing for my soul. Through the black hole. To make myself whole again. I'll give you my love. Can't give you my love. No, I'll give you my love. Can't give you my love. I'll give you my love. Into the black hole. Sing for my soul. Through the black hole. To make myself whole again. It was a Thursday night when I first saw you. Those green eyes caught me. Yeah, it was crazy. It was a Friday night when I first kissed you. You struck me like lightning. You broke my chains and released me. And days turned into nights.
One quick little tip that I've shared before, but I wanted to share again. If you guys ever have any issues with hard water, especially in your dishwasher, if you just add a cup of vinegar to the top of your dishwasher, I usually just put it inside of a bowl and then run it as usual. It will help get rid of a lot of that hard water issue. Sometimes you kind of have to do it a few times the first time, but then once you get it under control, you can just do it like maybe once a month or so, and it will make a world of difference.
I will come running, babe. Every day. Yeah, every day. Babe. Used to be scared of letting someone get close without the filters, but you see the real me. Since I let you in under my skin, I'm more free than I have ever been. You broke my chains and released me. And days turned into nights on the couch in your apartment. No, I am not the same. Everything has changed. Every day, 24/7, you call my name, and I will come running. Yeah, every day, 24/7. Yeah, every day, I will come running, babe. Every day, yeah, every day, babe. And days turned into nights on the couch. No, I'm not the same. Everything has changed. Every day,
Clean off my counters, I am breaking out the Peppermint Mrs. Meyer scent. This is my favorite winter scent of all time. I just love it. I feel like it's so minty and so fresh, and it just makes our kitchen feel so clean. And it definitely kind of brings in that holiday spirit a little bit more, so I love cleaning with this one.
I will come running, babe. Every day. Yeah, every day, babe.
So usually once I'm finished doing my kitchen, I will move into my living room, but I knew I had a ton of laundry to fold, and Kyle had actually gotten home really late this night, but he had to wake up early for the next day, and so I asked if he wouldn't mind helping just do the laundry. A lot of times we kind of tackle this together because, let's be honest, I have definitely been getting behind on laundry lately, so we have just been kind of tackling this together a lot. But like I said, he had to wake up early the next day, so he was about to head to bed, and I just wanted to get this done before he went to bed, and that way I didn't have to fold all of our clothes in the living room, and I also could get his help this way.
Over. Wanna get closer. It's not over. Yeah, we could go back to my place. 'Cause I don't wanna waste no precious time. So let's go back to my place. If it's only for tonight, let's make it count. I love it how your touch feels. I love it how you look at me in my place. No, I don't wanna waste no precious.
And I also wanted to mention, if you guys have not tried doing your hangers this way, definitely try it out. All you have to do is just lay your clothes flat and then kind of hang them up one by one like this, and it just makes the whole process go a lot smoother. I have been doing it this way for years. I didn't even know there was like another way to do it until a lot of you guys have told me that this has been like a game changer for you, and it's made me so happy that it's made such a difference. And so I just like to point it out every now and then in case if you haven't ever noticed that.
But I don't wanna leave. I wanna get closer. Don't want this night to be over. Wanna get closer. It's not over. Yeah, we could go back to my place. 'Cause I don't wanna waste no precious time. So let's go back to my place. If it's only for tonight, let's make it count. I love it how your touch feels. I love it how you look at me in my place. No, I don't wanna waste no precious time. Don't waste no precious time. Go back to my place. Don't waste no precious time. Go back to my place. Don't waste no precious time. Go back to my place. Don't waste no precious time.
I knew you were gonna say it. I knew you were gonna
You
do
did?
it. Yeah.
Get closer. Don't want this night to be over. Wanna get closer. It's not over. Yeah, we could go back to my place. 'Cause I don't wanna waste no precious time. So let's go back to my place. If it's only for tonight, let's make it count. I love it how your touch feels. I love it how you look at me in my place. No, I don't wanna waste no precious time. Even if you tried, you wouldn't understand it. Maybe something's missing inside of you. Just a bit of sugar.
So at this point, this was probably like 11:30 at night. The boys were sound asleep. Kyle had gone to bed at this point because, like I said, he had to wake up early. And so I just moved into the living room and started tidying up in here. It wasn't really too dirty in the living room, just a few things here and there. And of course, all of my throw pillows and blankets were kind of laid out and sprawled across the couch and the floor. And so I just needed to tidy everything up. And then I also wanted to do my floors once I got all of that done. Let me know what time would be too late for you to pick up your house. Like, what I mean is 10 o'clock too late for you that you would just kind of push it into the morning instead? Or would you clean all the way up to midnight? Sometimes I'm like, it hits 10 o'clock and I'm like, nope, I am not doing it. And then other times I'm cleaning at midnight and it's just, I don't know. It just kind of depends on the night for me, but I would love to see what you guys
I
think.
guess it never hit you. Our conversation takes two, paying it some interest.
So I did want to let you guys know about a quick giveaway that I am sharing with you guys. I am teaming up with ZeZo Co, and they create these pedestals that you guys see around my house. They have the cutest little pedestals, and they are going to be giving a gorgeous white one away to you guys. All you have to do is, of course, make sure that you are subscribed to my channel with your notification bell on, and then comment down below what area in your house you would end up using a pedestal for. And that is all you have to do to enter. I will have additional information in the description box on how you can get an additional entry to enter to win, but I'm just so excited to be offering this giveaway to you guys, and I will leave all of their information down below as well.
Go on, blow up your ego, your undeniable, undying ego. Oh, look here he goes, stepping on toes with his humble and everlasting ego. Oh, here he goes, here he goes, here he goes. Oh, here he goes. Oh, here he goes. Oh, here he goes, here he goes, here he goes. With his humble and everlasting ego. Someone hurt your feelings not that long ago, and every bit of you couldn't face the truth that maybe you're just not that nice and humble kind. That would be a lie. Go on, blow up your ego, your undeniable, undying ego. Oh, look here he goes, stepping on toes with his humble and everlasting ego. Oh, here he goes, here he goes, here he goes. Oh, here he goes. Oh, here he goes. Oh, here he goes, here he goes, here he goes. With his humble and everlasting ego.
Tonight I'll reach out and touch the sky in the city of angels.
Okay, I wanted to share one more super quick tip. So again, this has to do with if you have hard water. We have hard water, like I said. So our water dispenser on our fridge was looking really, really rough. And I just soaked a paper towel in vinegar and left it there during the day. And by the time I wiped it off in the evening, it was totally gone. So if you guys have hard water, that is another great tip for you guys.
Wanna go crazy now, gonna make this all count. Feeling like a rock star, cause tonight I'm getting out of line and it's alright. Feeling like feeling like just as cool as John Wayne in his movies. Feeling like I'm James Dean and I know it. Feeling like feeling like a rock star. Feeling like a rock star. Feeling like a rock star.
Once the main floor is finished, I just ran up to the playroom. This is not something I do every single night, but I just wanted to kind of surprise the kids and do a little bit of a tidy up here, and then also quickly make the bed just so that was done for the next day.
For some dollars to keep me going, I try to act like a superstar. Get tattoos without colors in a place where it's showing.
So I hope that you guys enjoy this video, and I hope it was nice and relaxing for you and also super motivating. It always makes me so happy hearing how much you guys enjoy my videos, and I love creating them for you guys. So I hope you guys have an amazing day. Also, do not forget about that giveaway. Like I said, I will have all of the information down below in the description box. Do not forget to subscribe down below if you are not already, and I will see you in my next one. Bye guys.